Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to download and install the Bershka app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the App Store, and here you can see a lot of features that you have. So basically you can check out the App Store before that, as you can see which stuff you have for today, which games you have, applications, arcade, search, etc, etc. Of course, now we want to focus on the Bershka app, so you just need to go to the search bar and type in the name of the application that you want to download. In this case, it's Bershka, so we're going to just go and type the name of the app, click it, and here, as you can see, we have it. So basically, when you click on it, here you can see the rating of the application, the age, the chart, it's number 15, sorry, for shopping. You can see the developer, who's the developer, the size, the language, so the size is, as you can see, 300 megabytes, so it isn't such a small application, to be honest. Now you can also scroll to see the ratings and some comments about people, what they say. So some they say perfect, some they say so you can see and going through all of these comments to actually see if you want to download it. Also, sorry, we have the what's new, so you can go and see what's new in the application, which versions are there, etc, etc. But also, let's see how you can download it. So basically you just need to click on get then. When this is loading, after that you just on the iPhone click double click to confirm it. Then you just need to wait for it to download. It may take a few minutes, maybe, because this is a larger application. As I said, it's about 300 megabytes, unlike some other applications that we were doing on this channel, which were far less smaller. They were under 100 gigabytes. And then, as you can see, when it finishes, you just need to click on open now. The app will show up here, click open, and that's basically how you do it. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.